Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have a Samsung device, at least 10% battery, and access to settings. Now open Settings and go to Battery and Device Care. This is where Samsung keeps power controls. Once you tap Battery, you'll see usage stats and power modes. Make sure to locate the three-dot menu or Power Mode area. Some models show Ultra Power saving under More Battery settings. This first action readies the phone to switch into Ultra Power, saving without delay. Once you find Power Mode, tap it and choose Ultra Power Saving or Maximum Power Saving depending on your model. You'll see a preview that explains restricted apps, grayscale display, and limited background activity. Read it so you know what changes. You must confirm which apps remain active. Tap Allow Apps or Manage Apps to keep essential ones like phone and messages. After adjusting, press Turn On or Apply. The phone will switch to a simplified home and conserve maximum energy. After activation, verify reduced brightness, background limits, and grayscale UI to ensure Ultra Power Saving is active. If the phone doesn't enter the mode, reboot the device and try again. Make sure you've installed the latest software updates because bugs can block the feature. If problems persist, clear Settings cache or boot into safe mode to test third-party app interference. To exit, open Power Mode or Quick Settings and select Normal. You'll regain full functionality immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.